Imagine a world without the internet. A world where information isn't just a click away, where communication isn't instant, and where the digital realm doesn't exist. What would that world look like? How would people navigate their daily lives without the convenience and connectivity that the internet provides? In this hypothetical world, communication would be drastically different. No more emails, no more social media, no more instant messaging. People would have to rely on traditional methods of communication, like letters, phone calls, and face-to-face interactions. The pace of life would slow down as people wait for responses and information to travel through more traditional means. The way we access information would also be completely transformed. No more Google searches, no more online encyclopedias, no more YouTube tutorials. People would have to rely on books, libraries, and experts in various fields to acquire knowledge. The spread of misinformation would be more difficult to combat without the ability to fact-check information online. Businesses would have to adapt to a world without the internet. No more online shopping, no more digital marketing, no more virtual meetings. Companies would have to rely on physical storefronts, print advertising, and in-person meetings to conduct business. The global economy would likely suffer as international trade and communication become more challenging without the internet. Entertainment would also be drastically different in a world without the internet. No more streaming services, no more online gaming, no more social media influencers. People would have to rely on traditional forms of entertainment like television, radio, and live performances. The way we consume media and connect with others would be fundamentally altered. Overall, a world without the internet would be a world that is less connected, less informed, and less efficient. While there are certainly drawbacks to our reliance on the digital world, the internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. Without it, we would be forced to adapt to a more analog way of life, one that is slower, more isolated, and less convenient. The internet may have its flaws, but it has become an integral part of our modern world, shaping the way we interact with each other and the world around us.